Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Dice Games book is probably one of the most comprehensive guides to the world of dice games. From timeless classics to lesser-known gems, this book promises to unlock a universe of fun and excitement. Whether you're a seasoned dice enthusiast or a curious newcomer, prepare to roll the dice and embark on a journey filled with strategy, luck, and endless entertainment. Number 5. Dittle Dice Battle, 2-player wooden tabletop game. Looking for a fun 2-player game? This is it. It's perfect for a coffee table or bar, offering hours of entertainment. This game is designed for adults. It's a great way to enjoy some friendly competition. You and a friend can have a blast playing this. This is a top choice for couples or friends. The gameplay is engaging and easy to learn. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time together. Made with sustainably sourced wood, it's a beautiful addition to any home. It's a great game to have on hand for game nights. Made with wood from New Zealand. For every game purchased, a tree will be planted. You can feel good about supporting a company that cares about the environment. What we like. This game is made from sustainably sourced wood, so you can feel good about your purchase. The company also plants a tree for every game sold, contributing to a greener planet. If you care about the environment and enjoy tabletop games, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Most games only last 10 or 15 minutes and the rules can be modified quite easily to change the way it can be played. The wood is sturdy and the dice are a nice size, bigger than normal. The rules, for the most part, are clear and simple. It's a great 2-person game that doesn't take long to play. Its ease of taking with you is a plus. Number 4. Dice games, new and old, including craps. Are you ready to roll the dice? This guide explores a variety of dice games, from classic favorites to exciting new options. It's a fun way to learn and play. With over 50 games, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, you'll find plenty to enjoy. It provides a comprehensive collection. Each game comes with easy-to-follow instructions. You'll quickly learn the rules and strategies. It makes it simple to start playing. Craps is one of the many games covered in detail. You'll learn how to play this popular casino game. It's a great way to expand your gaming knowledge. Get ready to have fun with dice games. This guide is your key to hours of entertainment. It's time to roll the dice and enjoy the games. What we like. This book offers instructions for over 50 dice games, ensuring you'll never run out of options. It even includes the rules for craps, a casino favorite. If you're looking to expand your dice game repertoire and learn new games, this book is a great resource. What people say. The book has a great selection of games. The book is well organized and easy to follow. The book includes clear instructions and variations for each game. Number 3. Dice Games Properly Explained. Welcome to Dice Games Properly Explained. This video will guide you through the rules and strategies of various dice games. Get ready to learn the ins and outs of these exciting games. First, let's talk about the dice themselves. These small cubes are the heart of the game. Understanding how they work is key to mastering the games. Now, let's dive into the basic gameplay. The goal is usually to roll the dice and achieve a certain number or combination. It's all about luck and strategy. We'll cover some popular dice games. Each game has its own unique rules and challenges. You'll find something you enjoy. Finally, we'll share some strategies and tips. These will help you improve your game and increase your chances of winning. Good luck, and have fun. What we like. This book provides clear and concise explanations of dice games. It simplifies the rules and strategies, making it easy for anyone to understand. If you're a beginner or want to brush up on your dice game knowledge, this book is the perfect guide. What people say. My grandchildren and I are having a lot of fun playing the various games we learn from this book as well as gaining a depth of understanding thanks to the thoughtful research details presented. This book is truly an amazing collection of dice games. He covers thoughts on dice and randomness as well as simple but engaging variants on the games. Number 2. Let's play 25 dice games. This set includes 10 dice, red and white, and an instruction pamphlet. It provides game directions and rules for endless fun. You'll have a blast with this. It includes game instructions for all of your family's classic favorites. Games like Bunko, All Fives, Yacht, Pig, Going to Boston, Craps, and so much more are included. This is fun for the whole family. The compact carrying box makes it easy to take with you. You can easily stick it inside your carry-on, purse, or backpack. Play it no matter where you are headed. Whether you are 5 or 105, this is just the thing to get everyone involved. Everyone can play all of their favorite classic dice games all night long. It's fun for all ages. It's perfect for stockings, housewarming gifts, or just for your card game fanatic. This is such a universal game that they are sure to find one they fall in love with. It's a great gift idea. What we like. This game includes instructions for all your favorite classic dice games, like Bunko and Yacht. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, so you can play anywhere. If you're looking for a versatile game that the whole family can enjoy, this is the one for you. What people say. Our family loves games and this is portable with easy compact directions. Good selection of new and old dice games. Fun, easy to learn. Very portable. If you want to find other dice games to play, this is what you're looking for. I am satisfied with the amount of games you learn. Number 1. Yahtzee Score Sheets, 100 Large Score Pads. Are you a Yahtzee enthusiast? This is the perfect companion for your game nights. It helps you easily track scores and enjoy the game. With 100 large score pads, this book provides ample space for numerous games. You'll have plenty of sheets to last through many game sessions. The large size makes it easy to read and write down scores. It's designed to provide a comfortable and convenient experience. This is specifically designed for the Yahtzee dice board game. It's a must-have accessory for anyone who loves playing Yahtzee. This score sheet book enhances your game experience. It's a practical and essential tool for any Yahtzee player. What we like. This product provides 100 large score pads, ensuring you have plenty of space to keep track of your scores. The size makes it easy to read and fill out. If you're a Yahtzee enthusiast who wants a convenient and easy way to track your scores, this is a must-have. What people say. Very nice large print. Plus, the large size makes it easier to read. They are all in their late 70s and early 80s. It's so nice to be able to write down your score and be able to see everything. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.